Hello students, today we will continue our first chapter of class 10th science, chemical reactions and equations. So let us start in this topic. Today we will discuss about the exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. So let us start. What are endothermic reactions and what are exothermic reactions? So endothermic reaction in which the heat is absorbed and the exothermic reaction in which heat is released. In endothermic reaction, temperature of the surrounding is decreased. In exothermic reaction, temperature of the surrounding increase and favored by a high temperature surrounding, favored by a low temperature of surrounding. Let us understand why these reactions by some examples. So here we have two beakers. See, one side exothermic and other side endothermic reaction. See, in the exothermic reaction it is shown by red color because it releases the heat. See, these are the small arrows. It is release heat energy to the surrounding, but here in this beaker heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed from the surrounding. So according to the definition, a reaction that release energy to the surrounding, causing the reaction mixture and its surrounding become hotter as the reaction energy absorbed from the surrounding and causing the reaction mixture is surrounding to become cooler. इस रिएक्शन में जो हीट एनर्जी वो रिलीज हो रही है, इस रिएक्शन में जो हीट एनर्जी है वो एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है. एग्जाम्पल, ऑल द बर्निंग एंड कंबशन रिएक्शंस आर एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस. ऑल द बर्निंग एंड कंबशन रिएक्शन जितनी भी होती हैं वो सारी कम्स अंडर द exothermic reactions, and all the heat absorbing reactions are includes under the endothermic reactions. Evaporation and melting are the examples of endothermic reactions. So let us take few more examples. Burn of fuel to make energy. So on one point you should keep in your mind always that in a exothermic reaction in exothermic reaction we always plus heat energy in reaction after the arrow we plus heat, and in endothermic reaction we write heat energy towards the reactant side पे प्लस करेंगे हम heat energy यानी कि before the arrow we write. So we always plus heat energy on product side in an exothermic reaction, and we always plus heat energy towards the reactant side in endothermic reaction. So here we have some examples. Burning of fuel. See, in this, carbon combines with oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, water, and release heat energy. So see here, after the arrow we have written carbon dioxide plus water plus heat energy, water in the vapor form. So we have written this heat after the arrow. See, in this reaction heat is always released in the surrounding. All the explosion reactions are the exothermic reaction. Aerobic respiration, when we respire, the oxygen take inside, and that oxygen combines with our food and gives rise ATP, energy, plus carbon dioxide, water vapor, and heat is released. So these are the two examples of exothermic reactions. Let us take few more examples. Examples of exothermic reactions: carbon combines with oxygen, form carbon dioxide, burning of coal. Now second is hydrogen plus nitrogen form ammonia plus heat, यानी कि formation of ammonia. Hydrogen gas plus oxygen form water, formation of water is also a exothermic reaction. Sulfur dioxide plus O2, sulfur trioxide plus heat is released. Methane, यानी कि methane which we burn in our kitchens, methane plus oxygen form carbon dioxide and water. Burning of natural gas is also in this heat is really, all these reactions release heat. Calcium oxide plus water plus arrow calcium hydroxide form slacked lime, is known as slacked lime. In this reaction heat is released. Glucose combined with oxygen form carbon dioxide, water vapor, and energy. So all the in these examples we plus heat on productant side. By this we can identify that these are the exothermic reactions. So here we have endothermic reaction in which heat is absorbed. So these reaction occur by absorbing the heat from the surrounding. So see here, nitrogen plus oxygen plus heat energy, we write plus energy towards the reactant hand side. So this is a reaction in which heat is absorbed. So this is an endothermic reaction. Water plus energy we have written on the reactant side. So this is the reaction in which heat is absorbed. So this is also an endothermic reaction. These are the both examples of endothermic reactions. Now we have daily life examples from the exothermic and endothermic reactions. Endothermic reaction: melting, evaporation, boiling, sublimation, person sweating, cooking an egg, baking bread, photosynthesis. These all the reactions occurs by absorbing the heat. Exothermic reaction: freezing, solidifying, condensing, explosion, combustion, neutralization reaction. All these exothermic reactions which releases heat. So I hope these concepts are clear to you. So let's take one more example. See here, A plus B plus heat. We have plus heat towards the reactant hand side. So this is an endothermic reaction. And now next reaction, A plus B and arrow and form product C plus heat energy. And in this reaction we have written the heat towards the productant side. So this is an exothermic reaction in which heat is released. I hope this concept is clear to you. How to identify the endothermic and exothermic reaction. Thank you so much.